In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into the ChatGPT Atlas app swiftly and efficiently. Whether you're new to the app or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through each step to ensure a seamless login experience. First, let's begin by opening the ChatGPT Atlas app. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure it's downloaded onto your device from your App Store. Once you have it ready, simply tap the icon to launch the app. You'll be greeted by the welcoming interface that's both user-friendly and intuitive. Once the app is open, you'll notice a Login with ChatGPT button prominently displayed on the screen. Tap on this option to proceed with the login process. This step streamlines access to your account, linking you directly to your ChatGPT credentials. The next screen will prompt you to continue with Google. This is a common and secure option for accessing a variety of apps seamlessly. Tap Continue with Google to move forward. Here, you'll be directed to a familiar login page if you're not already signed in with a Google account on your device. You'll need to type in your OpenAI or ChatGPT email address in the field provided. Take care to enter it correctly, ensuring there are no typos, as the system relies on an exact match to your registered details. Once you've double-checked that your email is correct, go ahead and click Next. On the subsequent screen, you'll be asked to enter your password. This is the same password you've used for your OpenAI or ChatGPT account. Type it in slowly to avoid mistakes. If you find yourself second-guessing your password, remember there's always an option to reset it. Once entered, confidently click Next to proceed. Now it's time to perform the verification process. This step is crucial for maintaining account security. The verification may involve solving a CAPTCHA, entering a code sent to your registered email, or another form of identity confirmation. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully to complete this task. It might seem like an extra hurdle, but it greatly enhances the security of your account, protecting your personal information. Once the verification is completed, you're almost done. To ensure you're logged in, take a quick look at the upper right corner of the app's interface. If everything went smoothly, you should see your profile picture displayed there. This visual confirmation indicates that you've successfully logged into the ChatGPT Atlas app, ready to explore its features with ease. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into the ChatGPT Atlas app. By following these steps, you can now access the full range of functionalities and integrations the app has to offer. Thank you for watching, and if you have any more questions, feel free to delve into our other guides or reach out for supports.